What if I told you a flood beneath Greenland's ice sheet was so powerful it shattered the surface? Using data from ESA's CryoSat and Copernicus Sentinel missions, scientists witnessed a staggering event. A subglacial flood surged upwards with immense force, fracturing the ice and unleashing meltwater onto the surface. This rare phenomenon reveals the hidden power of water beneath ice sheets, reshaping our understanding of glacial dynamics. Such events could accelerate ice loss, contributing to rising sea levels. Nature's raw force, hidden beneath miles of ice, reminds us of Earth's fragile yet explosive systems.